Shenzhen UVI High-Tech Corporation Limited is an innovative high-tech company with combination of R&D, manufacturing, sales and service. Brand Freego, and we have passed ISO 9001 2008 quality system. Our main products include electric sharing scooters, electric portable folding bike, electric folding kick scooters, and electric conversion kits for wheelchairs. All products exported are CE, FCC, RoHS approved. Freego products are widely used personal transportation, such as family fun, city tour, and rental. Daily commute and park leisure. UVI are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. UVI actively explores and develops markets in Europe, Canada, USA, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and other more than 60 countries and regions in the world. Freego have a number of agents at home and abroad as well as the distribution network, providing online and offline integration of sales and service. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Our vision: to be #1 personal transporter in the world and set up Freego franchise in Europe and USA. Our commitment: professional and efficient, honest and trusted. Our view of value: to bring profit and success to our customers, to help Freego Tales fulfill their dreams.